Hello friends, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. So this is basically for mock round, expected cutoffs, and this is based on the round 1 cutoffs of 2022. So in case you have not seen the first part, please check it. This is part 2. So I have covered up to colleges up to H and I, and this is the college starting with the J, right? So you have SJCE, and you can see the SJCE computer science cutoff was 2725. So under 3000 rank you can get computer science in round 1 of Comet K. And the next college in the list is Jawaharlal Nehru new college of engineering. It's called JNNCE and it is located in Shimoga. So this college is also a decent option for students of Shimoga, they can take, and the Comet K cutoff is 31,543. So that's quite decent. And JSS Academy of Technical Education, also known as JSS ATE in Bangalore, right? So that is just under 10,000 last year, 9892. And then the next college is JSS Science and Technology University, which is university part of SJCE, but it does not take admission through Comet K. So computer science branch is not there in Comet K, but other branches are there. So there are many private universities which are not taking CSC through Comet K. They are taking CSC separately, right? And that's why you see JSS Science and Technology University in Mysore, GM is blank, HKR is also blank. Jain College of Engineering, right, which is GM, and you can see it's around 18,000 rank, you can get this. Next one is Jain College of Engineering, one is in Hubli and one is in Belgaum, and the cutoffs are like 39,976. So now moving further, you have KLE Technological University, which is KLE Tech, and this is specifically the MS Sheshagiri campus, not the BVB college, but the MS Sheshagiri college, which is in Belagavi. That is also part of KLE Technological University, and its cutoff is 15,698. And similarly, you see another KLE college, which is in Belgaum. It is called KLE College of Engineering and Technology, Chikodi. So it's called KLE Chikodi, and there you can get computer science up to 49,207 ranks. So all are decent options. And KS School of Engineering and Management, KSSE in Bangalore, 45,000, and KSIT, which is KS Institute of Technology in Bangalore, which is 28,000. So those two options in Bangalore, and Kalpataru in Tiptur, which is around 51,500. Moving further, like in the K category, you have KLE IT, which is in Hubli, and this is decent option. And in Hubli itself, if you are not getting KLE Technological University, which is BVB college. So if you are not getting BVB college, you can take this one. 26,856 is the CSE cutoff. KLS Gogte is also very good college in Belgaum, and 17,256 is the cutoff. KLS group has another college in Halial, right? 42,917. It's called KLS VDIT. It's called KLS VDIT Halial, and 42,000 cutoff. And then Bangalore KNSIT is a very average college. You can skip this college. MS Engineering College will also be an average option. You can skip this. MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology, very good option, and again under 1000 rank. 989 was the cutoff for computer science in round 1. And then Maharaja Institute of Technology, MIT Mysore, is also decent option. 38,842 is the computer science cutoff in the round 1. So you can take this. Moving further, within M we have a college, Malnad College of Engineering, which is MC Hassan, and this is a quite decent option, and it's an autonomous old established college, and 29,183. So under 30,000 rank you can get Comet K, this college. Another college, which is Mangalore Institute of Technology and Engineering, MIT Mudbidri, right? So which is in Mangalore, and this college has also become recently an autonomous college. So you're getting at 49,291. This is very good college, and you should definitely take it. Maharaja Institute of Technology in Mysore is also okay, you can take that. 43,000 is the cutoff. Nagarjuna College of Engineering is autonomous college in Bangalore, 47,000 you are getting this computer science. Then NIE has North Campus, right, which was earlier called NIEIT. That campus has a computer science, and that campus 4,338 is the cutoff. There is no computer science in the NIE South Campus, correct? So you can take computer science in this one because there is no computer science available in the South Campus. Next one is Niti Meenakshi Institute of Technology in Bangalore, and the quite decent option, 6,240 you can get a computer science in this college in the round 1 itself. And then Navodaya Institute of Technology in Raichur, you can skip this. Now moving further, P starting college, so you have PES College of Engineering in Mandya, so that was also ranked under NIRF, and the GM category Comet K ranking closer was 10,500 rank for general merit category. Similar PES group has another college in Shimoga called PESITEM, PES Institute of Technology and Management in Shimoga, 13,904. Computer science you can take there if you are from Shimoga side. Then Pradharna Institute of Technology, you can skip this. Then the number one college in Karnataka in terms of KCT Comet K, RV College of Engineering, right? So 299 was the cutoff in RV College. So you are under 300, you are getting RV College Computer Science in the round 1. And then RL Jalana Institute of Technology in Bangalore, you can skip this. RTE Rural Education Halokati in Gadag, you can skip this college. Rajarajeshwari College of Engineering in Bangalore, it will be average option, right? 36,385 rank, you can get this computer science here. So moving further, you have Rajiv Gandhi Institute of Technology in Bangalore, you can, it will be like average option. Rao Bahadur, Mahabaleshwar Engineering College, it will be again an average option. RNS Institute of Technology will be good option, 7,738. Under 8,000 rank, you will get computer science here. Bhimanna Kadare will be average option. SJB Institute of Technology, it will be like, okay, you can take in Bangalore around 15,457. Computer science will be good option. Beyond electronics, you should not take. SJC Institute of Technology in Chikkabalapur, again computer science, you can take this. 55,000 is a computer science CSE cutoff. And then SCA College of Engineering in Bangalore, 55,000, but it will be average option, better avoid this. So a lot of colleges are still pending, so I'll make a part 3 of this video as it will be long video. And thanks for watching, and please do subscribe channel to get updates on all other parts. Take care and bye.